In this lesson, we will see together the negative pronouns, but more precisely, we will see ne, aucune. So the first thing that we need to define is the negative pronouns. So these pronouns indicate the absence of something. These negative pronouns are typically used with ne in a similar way to ne pas. So remember, this is the negative form, ne pas. So it means that instead of pas, we will use the negative pronouns. So we will have ne and then your negative pronoun here. So this lesson is about ne, aucune. And the negative pronoun ne, aucune can be translated into English as no, not any, or none. Keep in mind that in that case, aucune is the feminine form because it will be connected to feminine nouns. So let's see the examples. Je ne ressens aucune envie de sortir ce soir. Je ne ressens aucune envie de sortir ce soir. So in that situation, we will use aucune feminine form because envie is a feminine noun. Aucune envie. So it will be the same for the other examples. Il n'y a aucune chance de réussir sans effort. Il n'y a aucune chance de réussir sans effort. Elle n'a aucune idée de comment résoudre ce problème. Elle n'a aucune idée de comment résoudre ce problème. Nous ne voyons aucune raison de reporter la réunion. Nous ne voyons aucune raison de reporter la réunion.